Happy weekend! Ah, 45 degrees ata ito. Sobra pa. Nahanap ko rin sila. Welcome, new highest elevation of the Philippine highway system.
Happy weekend! First up, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, ka-weekends. Wow, what a year that was. 2024. Oh, with me today is Vicky. Siya may driving duties today. We're headed to Kuya, kay Tol, para ibalik yung drone niya. 2024 has many firsts. Actually, iniisip ko kung paano siya isa-sum up. Pwede siguro gawin is sum it up in 3 words. 2024 is a year of discovery for me. Kasi ang daming firsts, ang daming na-discover na pwede at kayang gawin. Mga natutunan, lessons along the way. That's the discovery part. And then meron din siyang part na syempre mahirap. So, pero ayaw natin mag-focus on difficulties at saka yung challenges. Pero mas na-appreciate natin yung kung paano tayo tumayo. So, I would call that part the recovery part ng 2024. So, and also grateful tayo kasi naka-recover tayo from that. And of course, may mga part din tayo na super happy about. That part I call victory. Yeah. So meron tayong discovery, recovery, and victory part. The victory of course is yung mga mini milestones natin, mga achievements natin in whatever way. Yung mga small victories natin, we're begin celebrating naman kahit gaano kaliit yan or gaano kalaki na victory. Ang dami pala nung nire-review ko yung nagawa nating adventures, myself, tapos yung kasama yung family, ang dami. So nakapag-camping tayo, nakapag-camping tayo. Kami naman ni wifey, nakapag-bako-bako dyan. Bako-bako dyan. May hiking, may caving. Tapos meron pang 2-in-1, moto and hiking pinagsabay. Hike pa tayo sa sa Pulag. One of the highlights ng 2024. Syempre sa akin, for me, ang main highlight ko yung mga family camping natin. Super appreciate ko yung moments na yun. I've been doing the vlog experience, trial, attempt, whatever this is, for the past 2 years now. Yung first year, tingnan lang natin kung how it is. Actually, hindi naman yata full year yun Tapos, the second year, yeah, tinignan pa rin natin kung enjoyable siya gawin. And it was. Natuto ako on so many things. Like, I enjoyed editing, filming, telling stories, actually. Yun yung main motivation ko actually. Pag nilulook back ko yung own channel ko, you see the stories from the first one to the most recent. Nakikita mo yung improvements Tapos ang saya nung mga kwento. lalo na pag inulit-ulit mo, kahit konti lang yung views, kami-kami lang na nakakapanood, ano pa rin, nakaka-satisfy pa din. Fulfilling yung ano niya, yung effect sa akin. So I think with those 2 years na of learning, yeah, masasabi natin kahit nagka-gap tayo, hiatus tayo ng konti because of the injury and recovery. I say hindi tayo nagsisimula from scratch. So we're starting all over again from experience. Kaya in this 2025, I'm looking at this as a reset. And we intend to go big in 2025. Ayan. So para ma-hit na natin yung 1,000 subs. Kasi right now we're around 460 plus yata. So in those 2 years, hindi naman natin masyadong ina-hard sell yung channel natin. Sa mga kakilala and friends lang. And yun, I think it is with the YouTube how it is now, mas pinopromote niya yung mga small channels. So parang it's a sign. Ang goal naman natin dito is, yeah, syempre ma-monetize yung channel para there is cost to the gears ng pagkukwento natin eh. Kahit yun man lang ma-recover natin para matuloy-tuloy natin siya. Ayan. And looking at the channel, at least itong 2024, we started off with our hike sa Bataan Natural Park kasi this is practice para sa Pulag. And then ayan, sa bike adventures naman natin, cycling adventures natin, we rode with the PGG sa Bamban nata ito na bundok. Had coffee doon sa taas na yun, had fun with the group. Tapos we also rode with the cycling chef and Papa Geno sa ilalim ng NLEX Viaduct. Never did I know before na pwede palang i-explore yun, yung ilalim ng viaduct. So ayun, habang ginagawa pa at that time, we managed to ride that route. And we also rode to Maliko. Ito yung mga sa moto adventures naman natin. Ito ang constant adventure buddy natin dito, si Papa Reggie. So we rode to Maliko. And ang ginamit natin doon is yung Zoomer X ni Wiki. So kayang-kaya ni Zoomer X on a fatty magbiyahe ng Maliko, twisties. Tapos more on moto adventures. Ride tayo to Sitio Tala. And then we also took the challenge of the highest point of the Philippine highway system. Ayan. So one of the highlights din yan. Naka-Svart Pillen naman tayo, no? Husqvarna Svart Pillen 200. Ayan. We rode the Philippine highway system route. The previous one, yung sa Atok and sa Tinok, on a 2-day ride challenge. So bali nag-overnight kami. Una kami sa Atok, tapos we slept over sa Bugias, and then we went down again paakyat ng Tinok para dun sa day 2 natin, highest point. And then yung route namin is pa-Ambuklao via Baguio yung pauwi. And then the story is, kaya most of the kwento and stories natin, vlogs natin in 2024, nag-make do tayo with our phone cams and yung Insta360 natin. Kaya medyo hirap sa sa action, like sa sige lang, konti. Alalay laki ng house kasi lowered gitu kasi itong jazz eh. Ayan, same dyan, Jurassic din yung hubs dyan eh. Ayan o, lapit na tayo kila Kuya. nalimut. You have to practice on your humps. Dito kami naglalaro ng mga malilit pa kami. Sorry, left turn na. Yung nasoli na namin yung drone ni Kuya. So we're headed back home na ba? Ay hindi, bibili muna ng ano pang medianoche. Tama ba? Ang Noche Buena kasi is for Christmas Eve, di ba? Medianoche naman para sa New Year's Eve. Spaghetti lang naman. Bibili lang ng ano, ng pangsahog. Thank you Kuya for the drone. Gamit tayo pang drone. Pag-practice tayo. Yun, isa ring first yun sa 2024. Nakapag-practice tayo mag-drone. Kaya may mga drone shots tayo minsan sa mga videos natin. And ang drone pilot talaga etong si Vicky eh. Ako still learning naman mag piloto ng drone. Mga establishing shot lang naman alam kong gawin. Mga paikot-ikot sa subject, di pa kayang gawin yun. Yeah. Mas masaya pag may drone. Actually yung ride namin papuntang ano yun, Sitio Baag. Yun, pag drone tayo doon ng naka-scooter tayo dun eh, no? Naka-Vespa at saka Zoomer X tayo. Ang challenging lang na part ng 2024 is the injury portion. I don't know kung saan nakakuha yung injury na yun, pero minsan lang sumakit yung, it started with the tuhod. Itong tuhod natin kasi merong ACL tear way back to 2001. Tapos na-repair siya in 2009. Tapos every now and then nare-re-injure siya. Kasi hindi pa talaga fully recovered. So yun, kaya mandatory yung cycling eh. Kailangan natin ng cycling. Ayun, na-re-injure siya mid-year. Then dahil syempre hindi makapag cycling dahil namamaga siya or any other physical activity, mas nalulong tayo sa trabaho. Diyan tayo na magra-ride ka dyan sa refill gas station. Ayan, go na, change na. Ayan. Na-injure naman itong neck and shoulder natin. Wala lang, sa upo, office work, and siguro pagdating din sa bahay, sedentary din, hindi masyadong magalaw. Ay sige, shell na lang. Dami yun eh. Tataray ko sana yung refill kasi ang mura ng gas ng refill eh. Kasi siguro marami nagpapagas. Oo, kaya marami talagang pila. Sige, shell na lang tayo. So, ayan, needed some time din na mag-recover. Ang dami nating tinry para ma-recover. Talaga nag-seek ako ng intervention dun sa neck and shoulder na injury. Kasi naipitan ako ng nerve and painful para dito sa left shoulder hanggang sa dulo ng arm and sa hands actually. Hanggang ngayon medyo manhid pa ng konti. We tried acupuncture nung una. And after one session lang kasi din eh. Hindi masyadong significant yung results. Fuel save 1,000.
Fuel save po, 1,000.
Ayun. Kaya I decided na maghanap ng iba, mag-try din ng iba. So we tried how do you call it? Chiropractic treatment. Ayan. Sa May Clark, sa Posture Perfect. Salamat kay Doc Jim ng Posture Perfect. Siya yung nag-alaga sa atin, chirotherapy sa atin. Aggressive siya. We had 12 sessions. Buti meron tayo medical insurance for that, kaya cover siya. Alam naman natin medyo pricey. Kasi without that, kung hindi tayo prepared sa ganon, hindi natin mapapagamot. And yun, gagalaw-galaw na yung shoulder. And meanwhile na nangyayari yun, sira din naman yung GoPro natin. I tried na paayos siya, pero wala, ilang months siya tinry na inayos. It's a GoPro 10 by the way, na ang sakit niya is bigla na lang nag-shut off and ayaw nang mag-on. I think marami nakaka-relate niya. So during that time, I used that time to take a break from telling stories, vlogging, ganyan. Kaya ayan, focus muna tayo sa recovery. So yun, 12 sessions ang chiropractic therapy, and umayos naman, naging functional na ulit itong, and most importantly, wala na yung pain. Kasi umabot sa point na talagang hindi ko magamit, hindi makapag-drive, hindi makapag-motor. Ganong level na yung pain. Buti na-recover, na-survive natin. Alright, let's go. And with that, what that actually resulted to was, syempre nag-recover tayo, and also nalaman natin na hindi talaga reliable si GoPro. Well, siguro sa iba, alam siguro nila paano gamitin, pero hindi tayo sinwerte sa usage ng GoPro. It lasted siguro a year and a half lang. Nakapagkwento naman siya ng good stories dun sa time na yon, pero time na lang talaga to find a more reliable partner na action cam. And nahanap natin is the DJI Osmo Action 4. May Action 5 na actually, kaya lang syempre mahal yun. And dahil naman may bago na Action 5, nag-price down naman yung Action 4, nag-price drop siya. Nakuha namin siya for super solid promo deal. Umabot na lang siya ng 12 plus. Ayun, syempre ako si Boy Installment. Ayun, nakakuha tayo ng Action 4. Siya yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Siya na yung magiging partner natin sa mga adventures natin in 2025. So there, that's our discovery of DJI. And bukod sa sa Osmo Action 4, may blessing naman din tayo na bumaba din yung presyo ng DJI Mini 3. Ayan. Kaya nakakuha tayo ng DJI Mini 3. Dapat ang kukunin lang natin is yung DJI Mini 4K ba yun?
Mini 4K.
Mini 4K. Kasi super sulit yung niya, yung presyo niya, and tsaka yung features. So we went with the Mini 3 na lang. Mas siya, mas malaki yung sensor niya, kaya mas significant din naman yung difference niya in terms of quality. Lalo na kapag wide shots, ayan, mas maraming detail ka makaka-capture. Ayan. So thank you 2024 at may sariling drone na din tayo. Di pa fully paid kaya kailangan ingat-ingat pa. Yeah, pali pa rin. Hindi pa nga siya nagsisimula eh. Kung dami natin bayarin. Pero nakakatuwa pag may drone shots yung kwento natin. Iba din. Nagamit natin siya. Ako first time ko siya nagamit sa Baguio ride. Ayan. Yung mga drone shots natin doon, hindi pa tayo marunong talaga gumamit eh. Pero ayun, para lang makita niyo kung ano meron dun sa gusto ko dun yung Cafe Stella overlooking Itogon, Benguet, yung mountain range ng Itogon. And syempre yung Igorot Stone Kingdom, ayan, na drone shot din natin doon pala, basta magpapaalam ka, papayagan ka naman, pero need magpaalam. Ayan. So maging habit na lang din every time na papalipad ka if you're near an establishment or a property, yeah, need mong paalam. Not all kasi pinapayagan. Ayan. And daming adventure. So I think one of the victories din yun ng 2024. May new set of gears na rin tayo na gagamitin for 2025. Thank you. Ayan. Ikaw ba, Wiki, ano yung favorite mong adventure ng Weekend Warrior this 2024?
Siyempre yung pwede ko i-spread yung legs ng Zoomer X. Tagal kong pinagkakaligot yun. Siyempre gusto kong i-try. If working yung mga mods ko.
Ganda na ngayon yung Zoomer X. Nung ginagamit ko yung Zoomer X na yun, hindi ganun kaganda yun eh. Pero ngayon, sa setup, siguro ikukwento natin yun sa 2025. Yung journey nung Zoomer X. From how it began na motor natin siya hanggang sa na-upgrade ni Wiki. Maraming upgrades yun. Tapos marami din naman nakikinabang. Kasi daming nagtatanong paano ginawa to.
Enter talaga sa daan.
Hanggang ngayon kapag ginagamit yung Zoomer X, kahit sa bayan yung Vespa talagang tinatabihan sa daan si Wiki para tanong, anong motor yan? Oh. Cute to.
Smart car siguro.
Ha?
Smart car na.
Electric? Happy New Year! Alright, and with that, the 2024 adventures of the Weekend Warrior PH come to a close. Thank you for being with us the whole year round. Thank you for discovering things with us, recovering with us, and also celebrating victories with us, no matter how small or big they are. More things to come this year, 2025. So, I'm actually excited sa mga bagong adventures natin. And we all hope na andun pa rin kayo to enjoy those adventures with us. And of course, special thanks to everyone who has supported the channel. But most especially, syempre, yung loved ones natin, especially si Wifey, na every step nakasupport sa atin. All the way yan, from starting the channel to planning and doing the adventures, at pagbigay sa atin ng visa, sa mga yaya ni Reggie, laging G. So, thank you very much. Of course, kay Wiki, sa mga pag-setup ng mga rides natin. He makes sure before we go on adventures na ready to go yung mga steeds natin. Whether it's the bike, the gravel bike, or the motos na available sa atin. So, thank you very much. Of course, si Chili, ang mga kakulitan at kalokohan niya, especially kapag camping. So, I most especially enjoy the camping adventures with the whole Weekend Warrior fandom. Of course, it's an extended family, kaya naman special thanks to kay Utol din, Kuya James, kasi lagi din siya nakasupport sa atin, whether it's a new video that's out, pinopromote niya yan, at saka unang-una yan nanonood sa TV nila para makapagbigay ng comments din. So, thank you, Utol. Pagpapahiram din ng drone sa amin. Salamat. Of course, sa mga kaibigan natin, sila Reggie, Berto, and the rest of the gang, Edsel, and of course, yung newly found friend natin, si Casual Riding TV, Johan, salamat. And also, of course, yung cycling friends natin, PGG. Thank you ba, Playbird, Pierce, and yung mga ibang classmates natin, kasama din natin on the road, cycling together, on adventures din. And the many more na nakasama natin on different adventures natin during the weekends. The whole channel is not just about a particular way to experience adventure. Marami kasi siya. It's how can you most enjoy the weekend through adventures, whether it's you on an adventure with friends or with families. Ganyan. Pwede rin siya mga simple activities lang on weekends that could make you learn things, new stuff. Kaya more of that in 2025. Part of our goal in this channel is to inspire everyone to live a more balanced life, a work-life balance. I myself, being an 8 to 5 guy, yung weekends natin are super sacred with us. Usually we spend them with family, so we try and find ways to paano siya gawing mas enjoyable yung weekends with family. Kung di naman family yung kasama, paminsan, it's friends that we go out on adventures with. So, kaya yung message natin sa every video we put out there is there's more to life than 8 to 5. If you like the content that we're making and putting out there, so please do like and subscribe the channel. It will make the Weekend Warrior community and family grow. Thank you very much for your support and hoping to continue adventures with you this 2025. So again, thank you very much for sticking with us. And with that, happy weekend!
Trying to stay off of the deep end. Only got love but staying on defense. Mistakes but no longer out here tweaking. Euphoria nights I picked up the pieces.